Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use split screen with 3 apps at once on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. So, if you want to use 3 apps at the same time using the split screen, I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing we need to do is unfold our phone, and then we need to select the apps that we're going to use. So we need to open up the first app. I'm going to use Notes, for example. And then what we need to do is either open up this taskbar right here with all of the apps, or we can go to the recently opened apps section and hold on the app and select it to place it anywhere on the screen. And to do that with the taskbar, it's pretty much the same thing. You select the app that you want to use. I'm going to use Gemini. I just clicked on it by accident. Let's use Notes again. So just hold on the app, drag and drop it wherever you want, like that. And you can open even more apps. So I'm going to open up Google too. I'm going to drag and drop it, let's say, down here. And here, as you can see, we have 3 apps open now. We just close down the keyboard. There we go. We have Google, we have Gemini, and we have the Notes. Now, if you exit out of it, it's going to be saved as a multitasking screen like that. So you just exit out, do whatever you want, and just come back to it in this same state. And you can use 3 of the apps at the same time like that. So you can click here, type something, you can ask something Gemini, and then you can Google anything. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.